Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the private view feature for your search results on the PrivacyWall search engine really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So in the first step, head over to PrivacyWall.org, for example, if you'd like to access PrivacyWall as a search engine through a web browser, or alternatively, install the extension on your browser or use the PrivacyWall application installed on one of these devices. So let me go for demonstration purposes here on the web application and look for, let's say, here in the search bar, best CRM tools, let's say for small businesses. And after that, you will see that list of supported or of search results down below. So you may access or preview these websites, these search entries here through the private view feature by clicking on that button here. And if you do this, you will be able to preview the content of these websites from the search results list here, so that you actually don't have to head over to the given destination page. And that is going to help PrivacyWall protect your personal information as well as your IP from these websites. So you can, it will help you assess if the given website or destination page you would like to visit is safe or not, so that you can make a decision later. So let me click, for example, on Private View here. However, guys, bear in mind that the Private View feature is not supported by all sites. As you can see, it takes a bit of time to load, and that's the Private View feature of the given website here, guys. So that's basically it. Let me close it really quickly. That's how you use the Private View feature on PrivacyWall. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.